Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing one half of the motor housing. Next, I'll remove the motor. With the motor assembly removed, now I can go ahead and replace the brushes. I'll start with the brush that has the black wire leading to it. I'll remove the screw that secures the wire. This screw also secures the brush. To remove the brush, I'll use a small screwdriver to pull the clip away from the brush holder. I pivot the clip away from this black tab, and then the brush will come right out of the holder. Now I can install the new brush. You'll notice that the new brushes have a curved surface to match the commutator. So I'll make sure that I align that curvature with the curvature of the commutator and insert the brush into the holder. I compress the spring and then again pivot the clip down and behind the plastic tab. And now I can secure the brush and the wire with the screw. Now I'll remove the second brush. The wire for this brush was removed when we removed the motor from the housing and install the new brush. Now I can install the motor assembly back into the housing. First, I'll reinstall the white brush wire. Then I'll thread the white wire that goes to the control board underneath these two black wires. And reattach it to the control board. Now I can reinstall the control board into the housing. I'll reinstall the drive shaft into the motor. And as I place the motor into the housing, I need to make sure that I align this round post with the opening at the base of the housing. Now I can reinstall the motor housing. And that's how easy it is to install new carbon brushes on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.